Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we've got a high flying showdown between two compact drones that are ready to take your aerial photography game to new heights. On the left, we have the Holy Stone hydrogen sulfide. Let's call it the HS440 for short. And on the right, we've got the DEERC Drone D70, or just the D70. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be one wild ride. Let's start with the price, because we all know that's what really matters, right? The HS440 comes in at a cool $129. But wait, the D70 is a steal at just $79. That's almost like finding a $50 bill on the ground. Who wouldn't want that? But remember, just because it's cheaper doesn't mean it's better. Let's dig deeper. Next up, camera quality. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, but the hydrogen sulfide has an auto-adjustable camera that can be tilted up to 90 degrees. It's like having a tiny, flying James Cameron capturing all your epic moments. Meanwhile, the D70 also has a 1080p camera, but it's more like having your Uncle Bob at the family reunion. Good enough, but not exactly Oscar-worthy. And don't forget, the hydrogen sulfide has a 112 degrees wide-angle lens. It's practically a panorama in the sky. Now, let's talk flight time. The HS440 offers a sweet 20 minutes of airtime. That's long enough to film your entire backyard barbecue or spy on your neighbors. Not that we condone that. On the other hand, the D70's flight time is, well, let's just say you'll be getting your steps in, retrieving it from the ground. So if you want to stay airborne longer, the HS440 is your go-to drone. Portability is a biggie. The HS440 is compact and comes with a carrying case, making it the perfect travel buddy. But the D70, this thing folds down to the size of your palm. You could literally carry it in your pocket. It's like having a transformer that doesn't turn into a car, but still looks pretty darn cool. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're new to drones. The HS440 has features like automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. It's like the Tesla of drones. It practically flies itself. Meanwhile, the D70 has one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, and headless mode. You'll be a pro in 10 minutes, or your money back. Just kidding, but you get the idea. Plus, the D70 has some fun tricks up its sleeve like 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and even a gesture selfie function. It's like having a circus performer in the sky. Finally, let's talk customer service. The D70 comes with a 1-year replacement policy and 24/7 support. That's right, you can call them at 3 a.m. when you crash your drone into the neighbor's tree. The HS440? Well, they didn't specify. But let's hope they have a good return policy because accidents do happen. Reviewers mention that the Holy Stone HS440 is durable, easy to learn, and has decent camera quality for its price range. However, it struggles in windy conditions and has brushed motors that might require replacement. On the other hand, the DEERC Drone D70 is praised for its durability, ease of use, and is highly recommended for beginners. Its camera quality is not the best, and it may have some connectivity issues, but overall, it provides a fun and affordable experience. So there you have it, folks. The HS440 is a bit pricier, but offers some serious camera capabilities and a longer flight time. The D70, on the other hand, is budget-friendly, super portable, and packed with fun features. Which one should you buy? Well, it depends on what you value more, high-end features or a lighter price tag. Either way, you can't go wrong. And remember, the sky's the limit. Literally. Thanks for watching. Buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly safe and see you in the next video.